I just finished filming for the birdie. There you can see the birdie guy. It took me about 30-ish hours, maybe altogether, 20, somewhere there. It wasn't actually that long, maybe even less than that. I don't think it was that long. And the last thing I just said in a video, I thought, you know what, I'm gonna make a YouTube video about it. So imagine, I think this camera makes it look really nice, really good. So imagine when you drive a car. Let's say if you get in a car, you drive for a little bit and you get out. I guess that's ink, that's not really, that's ink. So imagine if you get in a car, you drive a car a little bit and you get out. How much you learn? Not much. Imagine when you do this one time, just one time, what are you going to learn? Not much. Like physically, not much. You're not going to learn too much. But what you're going to learn is the experience of doing that. So from all this, so imagine if this is 100%, you're probably going to learn, you will learn about this much by doing this piece one time. And by one time, I mean, you can do this many times. And I would recommend you to do many times, because what happens is, let's say if you outline all this, because the line work had to repeat itself many times, you really learn a lot by lining, because you just had to do a lot of times over and over again. And then you also need to do the thin lines. So you do them, there's loads of them. By the time you get through of them, you also learn a lot. And then you have to do the shading. Shadings, again, everywhere, you learn a lot. But then there's few things that pinks is one time. You're like, try a little bit. You're like, yeah, cool sound. How much is that saved in your memory? Not much, not a lot. Just a little bit, tiny bit. So I would recommend you guys, when you do these activities, do many times. So to become a good driver, you have to drive every day. At least, I think it was like in UK, in England, you have 24 hours minimum requirements to be able to drive good, or at least apply for the driving course or for the driving exam, which means it's like doing this just 20 more times. And you might be thinking, man, I'll go insane. I'll probably agree with you, you would go insane. But what I was just saying in the video is, imagine if you do the snake instead of tangerine, so that was tangerine inside. Imagine if you do that with icy blue. So let's say this one is rainbow blue. Well, there's no rainbow, there's, anyways. Imagine if you do icy, like a really blue, juicy blue. So you get the black in, and then you do the shading with either black or really icy darker blue, or even purple. I've used purple as well as a coldener. Is that a word? I don't even know, but now it is. And then what that is, it'll make it look dark. Basically, you do the whole thing with the blue. So you have loads of experience with the blue. Then you need some warm color, because I like to do hot and cold majority of the times, which means if I do icy snake, I would do something warm with the, what's it called, the birdie. So then I would take either this orange, maybe a pure orange bird. Why not? It can be exotic. It can be from Jumanji, broken out from the book. The birdie can be in pink. Why not? The wilder you go, the screamier colors you make, the more you capture people's attention. What do you want? You want people's attention. You want also skills. This pink was that pink. That pink looks pretty cool. I like it. When it was solid, it stayed in nice, and it didn't, well, it just did a really good job. It stayed in really good. So that's what you can do. You can add that, which means you can have the same experience, but whole new level. Like, you have to make settings differently, because now you have to think about what goes in first, pink or that. Which one you destroy the most? Which one's going to be erased the most? How do you go over, like if you do the pink in first, as in like you do all the pink, for example, in the snake, you make really pink snake, why not? How do you get the blue inside so the blue doesn't stay in the pink? That's going to be a challenge. It's going to make you think a lot, make you going to plan a lot, make you going to analyze a lot, and that's exactly what you want. You want the little struggles. You want the little, what the fuck do I do now activities. Because if you do activities and it doesn't ask you what the fuck do I do now, you didn't really learn a lot. You just did it. It was in you already. There was nothing you gained. It was on you. That's been downloaded already. You can do all the snake in purple. Purple is not easy to color to use. It doesn't want to go inside that easy. You have to like hustle the purple. Then again, there's multiple purples. You're gonna see different brands, different Like, even the writing on the purple is fucking gone. The purple is so horrible that you can't even read what purple was that. It's that kind of horrible color. But there's multiple purples. You can buy more towards magenta. You can buy more towards reds. You can buy more towards violets. So like faded, more pastels. There's multiple spread outs of purple. One of those bottles are good bottles. You don't know which one you have till it's fucking horrible. You can use this, you can add 2 more drops pink inside. It's going to make it warmer, like a nicer purple, juicy purple. And because pink goes in nice, chances are it's going to grab that purple as well, put that inside nice. So if the ink goes in nice, if you mix up with not as nice, you get the medium. And you get pretty not bad ink that goes inside. I've done that a few times. Imagine if you do all the snake in green, like a slimy green. If you do this green as a main color, and then if you do this as a highlights, as in like this will be the tangerine and this becomes your darkener. Why not? I think it's black mamba. Do they have in green as well? King cobra, are they green? I'm sure I've seen this color green snake. Why not? That whole thing can be in green, easy. Guess what you're gonna have? You're gonna have a really nice lessons of green. That's exactly what you want. Green is also a color that can be a really nice friend of you, and it could be the biggest enemy. You don't know till you try. Mostly the people that come in is where the gamble starts. The nice person could walk in and it just goes in beautiful. You can crack on, no problem, really nice. Then somebody else walks in, the same color, same ink, same location. It does not want to go inside. And you're there hustling, you're there fighting, you're thinking, what the fuck is not happening? Why is it not working? Why is it not in? You don't know. No one knows. And we all struggle. We all think exactly the same. And it's just a hustle. So, but to learn that, to compensate for that, to learn how it behaves, how fast it goes inside, how fast it doesn't go inside, how fast does it spread out? Does it spread out? Does it hold towards your needle? Or does it leak everywhere? How hard is to clean off? It's not hard to clean off. Meaning how hard you're going to lose the stencil. You're not going to lose the stencil. You don't know. Till you go through many hours with this. Obviously, you look in these bottles, you're thinking, do I really want to have a hustle with them? And the answer is yes. You want to experience the hustle on the fake skin where there's no humans involved, there's no blood involved, and you can have the feel for the color. And then you know exactly what you're dealing with. And then again, the green, have multiple greens. You can have more towards the blue, which would be like more turquoise. You can have more darker, which just means more black inside. You can have more yellow, so it goes more towards this, and then it hits like yellow there. So more towards yellow, which means you can have this thing. You just drop in 2, 3, 4 drops yellow, and it'll come more towards the yellow, green, and then if you go towards the red, it'll go brown. So that's kind of the dirty way, the autumn leaf looking way. It can be it can be done multiple ways. Yeah, like if the red's there, it would be just brown. It makes sense, yeah. Hopefully. But what I'm saying is, all this being said, I'm saying is, I want you to do more than once. Yeah. When you do one-time activity, you can learn a good amount, but you're not gonna learn the amount you actually need. And by pursuing the same activity multiple times, you're gonna learn a lot more, like a lot more. Yeah, what I was using was, I used light magenta, which is that. I used light magenta for that, but it looks pink to me. Like they name it magenta. I would disagree. I would say just nice pink. Then I did have orange inside the green. So this is Moroccan. I don't even know what that means. But what I took was, I had this nuclear green and I needed a cold yellow. And I was like, So I took nuclear green, filled up the cup, and then I did 1 drop of this orange inside, and boom, that became that. At first, it did drop few, I think 2 or 3 drops of that orange, and the orange is destroyed, made that really too warm. So I did again, and then it was fine. It was good. Then yellow. Did I use yellow today? I don't think I used yellow today. And then gray. Gray was for this, so I can get the tail. Then I did a little bit more gray there, so it looks for the fluffiness. A little bit more fluffiness there, and a little bit on the beak there. That was today's activity. I put these inks there. So on a school account, I'm basically writing down the inks I've used that day, the needles I used that day. So I have all these little things saved. I don't bin them just before, because I need to. I didn't use 21, I used 9 tight liner, and I used the 9 mag that's inside the machine there. That's what I used today. And then if you ever gonna decide to watch this video, there's about 7 videos so far. In first we do the lining, then we're gonna do the shading. I think then we do the black, or maybe we did the black and then shading, I don't know, I can't remember. Video after that we did the reds, which was the tangerine that I used there. And then after the reds we did the orangey stuff, and then we used the gold, so that became the lighter areas there. And after that we did the body color for the birdie, and then now we did the head and the tongue and the feet and the tail. Yeah, that was it. So multiple videos by multiple colors and multiple activities in those videos. If you're ever going to decide to do color is a simple and a horrible thing to do. They're nice, but they're not nice. They can be tricky, they can be your best friends. You never know till, I would say, the person walks in. As in, like, every client will absorb the ink totally differently, and you don't know which one's that client and which one's a nice client and which one's a super good client and which one is the biggest hell you ever had. So you never know. Some of them are going to bleed, which is going to dilute your ink. Some of them are going to be fine, which is going to go nice. Some of them are going to just not sit still, and then all your big plans will go away. Weirdly enough, throughout all these years, I've noticed that every day when I had an opportunity to do the piece I really love to do, something bad happened. That was like always like a bad omen. Every single time I was like, yeah, this is going to be amazing. I'm going to be killing this. Something happened, and the person was just either moving, crying, bleeding. There was always a challenge. There was always a challenge to get what I wanted in life. That was always a hustle. But if you guys want to learn how to do the colors, how you do the lining, how to do the shading, all that, I have that on school. About 600 students now are learning there, and then this is what I film the videos for. And if you want to learn, you can join, and if you don't want to learn, you can just not join. So this is one of the pieces that we have done that. And then because I was filming that little video, I was like, you know what, I need to say a few words about it. And that's why I grabbed this little camera and then said a few words about it. Right guys, if you're in a school account, I'll see you there. And if you're a new person who's going to join, I'll see you there. And if you feel like you don't want to learn, cool, I'm not going to see you there. Take care guys.